Okay, so as you can see, I've got one whole chicken, and what I've done is I've butterflied that chicken, or spatchcocked it, which means I've cut the bone out of the back. Let me turn it over. I've cut the whole central back out so it opens out. If you don't know how to do that, then there's a video for it online. I'll stick the link for it at the end. It'll be one of the videos that pop up at the end. So you've got a nice spatchcocked or butterfly chicken. Let's get some seasoning on that. Okay, we've got a nice marination together here. So ketchup, and by the way, I'll put all the list of the ingredients and amounts below, but ketchup 1 cup, oyster sauce 1 cup, soy sauce, I'm using a light, you could use dark, 1/2 cup, sesame oil, nice nutty flavour, 1/2 cup, garlic ginger paste 1 tablespoon, celery salt 1 heaped teaspoon, star anise powder, or if you wanted you could be using a 5 spice, 1 heaped teaspoon. We're going to add a little black pepper to this. That's about it. Okay, so mixing bowl, let's grab our chicken that's been cut, drop that in. Now we're going to go, like I said, I've got my gloves on, we're going to use hands here. We're going to go oyster sauce. If you want, you can really be playing around with these amounts if you like. That sesame oil, lovely, beautiful, nutty flavour in there. The ketchup, that's going to add a lovely colour and a lot of sweetness. The soy, like I said, I'm using a light soy, but you could of course be using a dark one. Garlic ginger paste, nice finely minced garlic and ginger, nice tablespoon there. Then we're going to go with that celery salt. I love that in there. And the star anise powder, or like I say, if you wanted, you could be using some 5 spice or like a Chinese spice mix, and then plenty of black pepper. We're going to give this a mix, get it all over the place, all around our chicken. And then if you want, you could pop this in a refrigerator overnight. You know, get some shrink wrap on it, plastic wrap on it. It'll be lovely. Or you can go straight to the barbecue. If you're cooking this on the barbecue, you need to go low and slow for about 30 to 40 minutes, I would say, for this size chicken. Beautiful. I'll see you when that's done. Okay, and there you go, low and slow on the barbecue. Fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.